Howdy peoples, welcome back. Woohoo, alrighty, banoffee muffins. Banoffee. I ask, what the hell is banoffee? Banoffee is banana and toffee put together makes banoffee. So we're doing banoffee muffins. Alright, first thing you're going to do is get your, I'll put the recipe below as always, 2 1/4 cups of self-raising flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of bicarb. Mix them together and put it aside. You want to mash yourself 2 bananas. Okay, in a smaller bowl, get 2 eggs and whisk them up. 2/3 of a cup, oh hang on, 1/3 of a cup of oil. I use olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you want. And then I want 2/3 of a cup of milk. One teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract. I like the extract, but you can use either. Ooh, yeah. Okay, now we're using, this here is Nestle's caramel top and fill. Alright, so when you go where you get your condensed milks from, this should be right next to your condensed milk. Oh, I think it's a 395, 380 grams. Alright, so open up one of them and you just want to put a little bit in. Well, it's pretty cold here today. Alright, you just want to put a little bit in. Say a heaped tablespoonful. Alright, mix everything up. Get the banana in. Alright, mix it all in together. Alright, now it's supposed to be runnier than that. Alright, this is the first time I've made this one. So, the caramel was supposed to be runnier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a saucepan on very, very low and I'm going to heat it up. So I'll put the caramel on very, very low to melt it down because it is supposed to be runny when you put it in. Alright, and I've just used a whisk to whisk in the chunk I just put in there that's too hard. Alright, so lesson learnt there. Put it in a saucepan and melt it down, but make sure you definitely do it on low. Alright, then you get your flour mix. While I'm waiting for that to melt down, I can do this part. And then you get your wet mix and put it in. And then you mix them together. And you only want to do it until it's till you can't see any more flour. Now I've got it to consistency where we can mix it in. I'll do it this way. Alright, pour it on there. Oh, you need to get as much of that goodness in there as you can. Oh yeah. Now you don't want to beat it in, you just want to put streaks through it. So you just only want to do this a couple of times. Just like that, okay? So streaks through it. Perfect! Alright, so you want to grease yourself I love using the 6-hole big ass muffin trays. Once you can put your fist in. So you want your butter, your flour, go around, tap it out, bang, you got it done. You want your oven preheated at 190 degrees Celsius. And you fill them up. Right, once they're filled up, completely optional, but pecans. Woohoo, yum yum yum. Alright. You don't have to use them if you don't want to, it's completely optional, but I'm going to put 3 on each one. Alrighty, In the oven they go for 25 to 30 minutes. I'll tell you in a minute exactly how long. Oh yeah. Oh, this place smells amazing. I just want to say now so I don't forget. Thanks Sheila. Thanks heaps mate. This recipe, I'm hoping it tastes as good as it smells, but it's awesome. Thanks heaps for giving it to me, eh? Yeah, so the only stuff up was the caramel. So definitely melt it down on low before you put your tablespoon in your wet mix and then the rest in after. But oh, have a look at them. Alright, just want to see what you're seeing here. Alright, a bit. Alright. As usual, let's crack one of these babies open. Oh, they're huge. Here we go. Oh, they're all sticky on the outside from the caramel. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Oh, I can see that crunch. I'm gonna have to try a piece and let you know. Ready? I must go up. Sheila, you're my best friend, mate. Oi, give it a go. Thanks heaps for watching, peoples. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.